Hi everyone, thanks so much for being here. My name is Kat and I make houseplant videos here on Good and Planty. If you just happen to absolutely love this video, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, or following me on Instagram. All of these things help me grow my channel like a plant. It is rainy outside, cozy in my apartment, and I just got back from some travels for Thanksgiving. So I figured it was the perfect time to do a little care vlog with you. My plants definitely need it. I'm excited. So let's jump into it. Look how cute this is. I'm obsessed with her. Cheers. Everyone say hi to the new mirror I'm obsessed with. It's huge. And I love her. I can now get ready. Okay, now we're panning to the area I don't want to show, but I will. This corner. And two things happening here. One, I need to snip off this runner. I think it's not the look I want. It's too much. She's got to go. She's gone. And now let's talk about her. She's not doing well, and clearly we have some pruning to do. Some of the propagations I potted up with her are just not loving it. I think they were potted up a little too late. They were a little too comfortable in the water. So now I'm just gonna clean her up as well and then give everyone here a little water. Okay, very exciting update time. Actually, maybe I should turn on the light. I hate filming in the winter so much. The light is just not what I want it to be. But look! I haven't had a new leaf on my monstera in so long. And here she is. And it's gonna be a good one. I don't see any do I? I'm not sure about the fenestrations on it yet, but either way, I'm just happy that this baby is doing something. I put my little ornaments on it. It's so cute. And then on top of that, if we come up over here, do you see? Look how good that little leaf is. So happy about her. And on top of that, my little propagations are rooting. So huge success over here during Thanksgiving break. Filming during this time of year is absolutely the bane of my existence. I'm yellow. But, okay, we carry on. Time to sink water my plants. And I've been having such a hard, I literally can't with this lighting. I can't. I can't. Whatever. This is my first winter in this apartment, and I am having to adjust so much to the heating in this place for all my plants. It blows everywhere. I'd have to move all of my plants all around. And despite all of my finest advice here on my channel, I rarely listen to my own advice. So I don't have any humidifiers running because I don't know where to put it in a place that isn't gonna bother me. And I don't wanna move any of the plants away from the heater line because I like where the plants are. So I'm just watching them slowly disintegrate before my eyes, and I need to do something about it, but I'm not sure what yet. But if you're feeling like me this winter, just know you're not alone. You are not alone. I struggle with this every time I move, trying to figure out how to take care of my plants year round. So definitely gonna have to increase the sink waters, which is what I'm doing now because it is so thorough and it's gonna really help out some of my last plants a whole lot. Okay, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you all so much for watching and coming along with me as I watered all of my plants, except for the succulents upstairs because I am too lazy right now. But I really appreciate you guys. Please like, comment, all that good stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!